Yo guys, what's popping? What's popping, guys? So welcome to the second video of this series. Trading synthetic indices, everything synthetic indices. Now, today I'm going to be teaching you how to trade volatility survive in 1S index. On my last video, the previous video, in case you haven't watched it, you can go back and watch the video. I taught you guys how to look for the direction of the market and how to get ranges from the market to take your entry from. Now, we're going to be doing a little bit of trade review or market review. That's what I'll tag this topic on volatility on 1S index. I want to show you guys that this strategy works very perfectly on all synthetic indices, or at least most synthetic indices. So remember the last video I taught you guys that when the market is creating the market to find the direction of the market, we use market structure. So the the lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower lows, and the higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. And I thought you guys have to look for ranges. The market forming like some sort of a QM pattern or a head and shoulder pattern, then creating lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, then breaking one of the highs, then the market taking out all these liquidities, then coming to another block here and selling off from the other block. These rules also apply to to the buy scenario. The market giving you a breakout, then creating all this liquidity, then coming to take out this liquidity, coming to another block right here, then buying from this other block. Now that is just how to look for the trading range. You understand? So now I'm going to be teaching you guys. This is a volatility 75 1S index. Now we're going to be doing some small market analysis on what is currently happening on the market. Volatility 75 1S index. You understand? So basically volatility 75 1S index has been trading on a downtrend. You understand? Now let's analyze it step by step. Market created a higher high, it came down, created a higher low, then failed to create a new high, then broke this low right here. After breaking this low, it came down, created a lower high, created a lower low, and it broke this lower high, going up. Then it came down again, broke this low, turning to a downtrend. So basically the market has been on a roller coaster for the past weeks on volatility 75 1S index. So let's keep all this all these shenanigans and just come back down to earth. So let's come to the recent chart. So what happened is that the market created a low high, created a lower low, then the market broke this high, entering into an uptrend, and created a higher high, higher low, higher high. The market broke this higher low, turned into a downtrend again. Turned into a downtrend, it created a lower high, created a lower low. Now this is where we are in the market now. We're looking for ways on how the market will break from this this current lower high that it created. So I will show you what happened on this current market and made this market to sell. This small move here is because it's on the 4-hour time frame. This small move is a whole big move on the lower time frame. Now, as I said before, we use our 30 minutes to look for our ranges. So go to our 30 minutes time frame, and as you can see right here, what did the market create here? The market created a range. You understand? It created this high and created this low, and came again, created this high, and came again, created this low. Then it started giving us all these liquidities. You understand? Market created all these liquidities. I'm not going to be drawing the liquidity one by one. He gave us all these liquidities. Look at the liquidities right here. Give us all these liquidities. After giving us those liquidities, the market came and created a lower high. Sorry, created a lower high, and it created a lower low, and it broke this lower high, completing a range, and it went up, took out all this liquidity. And after taking out this liquidity, where did it come back to? Another block. I'll delete all these things so you can see the other block very well. Came back to this other block. After coming back to this other block, look at how far it is. After coming back to this other block, the market sold, as you can see. So it came back to this other block. After coming back to this other block, the market sold. So if you had entered, you maybe put your stop loss above here, then your TP maybe around this region. Even if it's a 1:2, you would have caught a good 1:2 arrow trade. You understand? The market might still go down, you understand, or the market might push up. But the way I am seeing this market now, this market is might, it is under probability, but this market might break this high. You understand? But the market is giving us some rejections from this particular zone. You understand? Or what the market can do is, since this is the 4 hours time frame, the market can take this high as a liquidity. Market can take this high as a liquidity. Can take this high as a liquidity. This high here can take it as a liquidity and maybe look for a new point of interest. In fact, the market has already taken this high as a liquidity. It has taken that liquidity and maybe there's a point of interest higher above it. Nice, I told you. There'll be a point of interest above it. Understand? Market had already taken that part as liquidity. So be a point of interest and other block. Look at the other block right here. Though this other block has been tested, it has been mitigated by this market. You understand? Because formally before this was a range, look at the market created a high, a low, it created another high, then it broke it right here. After breaking this low, it created all this liquidity, then it took out this liquidity, came to this other block, and as you can see, the market sold down very well here. So the reason why I'm saying this was a short-term sell is because uh the market refused to come down immediately. It went into that other block. You understand? So the market might still come down, or most likely the market might break this zone. But currently the market is rejecting from there, so it might still come down again, but it might break this zone and start buying back. So that is it for this trade review, for this market review. I'll be seeing you in my next video where we're going to be analyzing other pairs, blindly. This is not hindsight. We're going to be analyzing other pairs, on this static indices chart. If this is your first time on my channel, do like and subscribe, as I'm going to be seeing you in my other videos. Cheers.